umukoro gutandikira na Aakibiishopu w'itorero rya Mbarara Lambert bino mugisha aro kwiguraho hamwe no kuhasera enju y'abasista. Bwa nyuma yo kwiguraho icyombe kweki ubwakoze urumukoro gwo kwiguraho gorota y'ishomero ya Saint Teresa hamwe no kutasya mu Biikira Maria. Bwa nyuma nuko kwebe mbere kitambo cya misa ichikurirwa hishomereri aho ashabira bejo kugumana behongera omuzaire Biikira Maria.
You will come with your own provisions, call it wine, and sometimes these provisions will run out. Your wine will run out. Run to her. And she will have seen. So she will go to her son and say, they have run out of wine. Now, I'm not telling these girls to go in the village and look for what I did. No! That's not the wine I'm talking about. You are giftedness, what you have. If you're in it, sometimes they run out. Go to her and ask. She will go.
Oyiro kushaba munonga Aakibiishopu nabwo ahigira bejo kugumana batahagabo mu kishoma.
Niyo yanjeka kwasa Biikira Maria, Yesu yawe kwasa Biikira Maria. Ibyo kushoma kambireke. Utkanza kwa Biikira Maria kabano wasiba. You forget and you have to have the jars. That you have to fill with the water. And when you have filled them with water, then the Lord will say, you have no wine. Then the Lord will bless it. Will bless what you have.
Ishomerero hona nabwo ribireno ruzaguzo businguzi omubigezo bya sine yakana hamwe na sine ya mukaga.
Let us inspire other people around and in our homes when we go back to make a difference, that when you go to Saint Teresa there is something different you pick there which other people maybe who go to other schools are missing. Not that other schools are not good, all the schools are good, but for us to echiru kurengaho.
Reverend Sister Gertrude Nwarimpa ayorekere ngo hato batunga Biikira Maria baza kuba bomutano.
Because what we have enables us to add value and to walk an extra mile for the good of God and our neighbor.
Kani bashabangu imo mukorogwani. Aho abazire n'abakorogwabo babareta ishomero. Abegesa bakorogwabo bwo kubegesa. Konkana ni wo mutwe gwabo gugumire munonga. Abantu abo babiri nibabasa kugumirwa kutomura yini eyoshe mukwano warabamo.
Gashakwa Timothy Mushabe.